Hey, to customize touch controls of the Nothing Ear 2, first of all you will have to open the Nothing X application and then you have to open Controls tab. Next you can do this for the left and the right earbud, so let's do this for example on the left one. First we can find the double pinch and as default we can skip forward and decline incoming call, but also we can replace this one with skip back or turn on the voice assistant. On the triple pinch we've got skip back, but we can go for the skip forward and the voice assistant. And on the pinch and the hold we've got the noise control, the transparency mode. All, for example, we can volume up, volume down, or use the voice assistant. And on the double pinch and the hold we've got actually the same. So we can set it up to your own preferences. And that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.